Okay, I have this, what I believe to be a pre-war glass doorknob that I need to remove. There are no, visible screws. There's no visible slot. This doesn't move up. I've tried moving it with levering it with a screwdriver, and it doesn't really move up. This is a single plate. There's not two plates. And the door is exactly the same on the other side. So not two plates, no screws, no slot at all. And I'm just at a bit of a loss as to how to remove it. I've tried removing this, and it doesn't help. I have no idea how to remove this doorknob.